In this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to Hi. Hey there everyone, I'm Filmora and this is getting awkward. So yeah, I'm gonna teach you how to sync your audio with your video properly. I don't know, but this is getting awkward. So yeah, let's start the video. Okay, I know that I am going overboard with this and I know that I just make something super shit. So yeah, anyway, today I'm going to teach you how to do the audio video sync in Filmora 9 with the Filmora 9.3, because now with the 9.3 we have this new feature that is actually very helpful in this case. So yeah, let's go for it. See you in a bit. So yeah, what I usually do, so like, hey there everyone, I'm Filmora and you are watching Techno Mania. Okay, so once inside your Filmora 9, simply drag the clip you want to sing with the external audio and then simply adjust your audio with the video. Well, you have to do it manually, there is no just another way to do it. I'm gonna teach you how to do. Okay, so my trick to perfectly match them is that I simply use the main video clip and then the audio clip, and then I don't mute the audio from the main video, I let it remain unchanged, and then I try to sync them manually, because if you do this way, then when you play them both in this tutorial, then you can hear them in an amplified manner. In this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to. This way I can hear if they are overlapping or not, something like this. In this tutorial, I'm gonna and also once they are synced, they will sound something like this. In this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how. In this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how. Hey there everyone, I'm Filmora and this is getting awkward. So yeah. Okay, now our work is done. But wait. You're gonna ask me that, hey Himanshu, is there no other way to do it? Like a singular way? I don't have to do it all the time manually. So yeah, there is a way. Apparently 9.3 had this new feature, which is very helpful in this case. So yeah, let me show you. Let's hop on to it. Okay, so Filmora introduced this new grouping feature in Filmora 9.3. So if you want to sync your video and audio for once only and don't want to do it all the time again and again, then do it just one time manually and then select both of them and then right click on it and then click on this group feature. Now if you do anything to your video like trim, delete or whatever you want to do, then it will reflect this on the audio too. Because apparently there are now two bodies with one soul. I know it sounds cheesy, but that is the way it is. So yeah, that is how you sync your audio and your video in Filmora 9. Yeah, arigato. So guys, what are your thoughts on this video? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you think that this video is worthwhile, then give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that I can able to bring amazing videos just like this for you. Till then, see you later.